everybody, I'm Kelly from iCraft Vinyl, and today I'm so excited to talk to you about one of the newest products at iCraftVinyl.com, our sublimation transfers. So I cannot wait to introduce these to you a little bit throughout this video, and I'm going to show you how to use them. So just wait, if you haven't used them, don't worry, I'm going to tell you all about them. So this is what you're going to get when you order these at iCraftVinyl.com. It is a special die that we print in-house onto the sublimation paper, and then we send to you and they are ready to press. So what you need for these is a heat press. Your home iron and your EasyPress will just not give enough heat and enough pressure that you need to transfer this die from this paper to your shirt. And this is what the final result will look like. As you see, you get these gorgeous, vibrant colors and these really intricate designs, and it is a part of the shirt. So because it's a dye, it fuses with the fabric of the shirt and it creates this long-lasting, gorgeous, gorgeous shirt. So the other thing that you need in addition to your heat press is a polyester shirt, and that's important. The higher the polyester count, the better and more vibrant your shirt's gonna look. So 100% is obviously gonna be the best, but 96, 92%, those are still gonna create some really gorgeous shirts. These are actually 92% right here. Here's another one. This is our night lion on our website, and the other one was our butterflies and giraffes, or giraffes and butterflies. See there? And then this shirt right here, it's actually 96%. As you see, it's gorgeous. That's what you want. So the higher the polyester count, the more vibrant your shirt is gonna look. So you can also sublimate on other things that have a special polyester coating, like bags or mugs, ceramic tiles, glass, stuff like that. All these different things, you just need to make sure that they have the special coating or polyester for pressing. So let me show you a few of our fun new designs. So we have this tie-dye flower. We have, mother, children, family tree. Ooh, little elephant for autism awareness. And these are gonna come mirrored. It's actually gonna look a little bit duller than when you apply the heat. It's gonna look super vibrant and bold. So just note that. A good vibes only cow, and these are each one-time use, okay? And then I want to also stress, where there's white, like you see in the cow's nose and everything like that, whatever color fabric you put this design on, that's what color the white is going to be. So if you use like a light gray shirt, then the cow's nose is going to be light gray. So lighter and white colored garments are actually going to work the best. The darker garments are already dyed, so it's hard to get these colors to stick into the fabrics of the fiber, and it just looks kind of dark and faded and washed out. So your whites and your lights are going to look the best. If you're interested in any of these designs that I've shown you, you can go ahead and check them out at iCraftVinyl.com. We have a tab right at the top that says sublimation transfers, and we're going to be adding tons of new ones over. I told you a little bit about the sublimation transfers. Let me go ahead and show you how to press them. So here are the two designs that we're going to be pressing today. We have this sunflower cow, and we have this cherry blossom horse. So I'm gonna go ahead and press this cow on a white shirt because I want the white of his nose to remain white. And then I'm gonna go ahead and press this one on a light blue shirt. That way I can show you what happens when you use another colored garment just besides. Okay, so I've got my shirt loaded into my press here. I have it set at 400 degrees, and we're gonna go ahead and press this design for 40 seconds. Just to help me line it up, I'm going to fold it in half and line it up with the center mark on my shirt. You're gonna wanna press this design about 3 inches from the collar. And make sure you go by the top of the design, not the top of the paper. And make sure that your design is face side down. And I also just wanna make sure that I don't have it upside down. So I've done that before. Okay. So now that it's where I want it, I'm just gonna go ahead and press. So like I said, 400 degrees for 40 seconds. I've got about 7 seconds left. All right. And the sublimation transfers are a hot or cold peel. So you can let it cool if you'd like, or you can go ahead and remove it. Go ahead and lift up your transfer. And as you can see, you're left with this adorable cow. Okay, now we're just going to repeat the same process with this light blue garment and this design. And I just want to mention that both of these shirts are 92% polyester. I found them at Target. They're the moisture wicking shirts, and a lot of those times those shirts are made of polyester, so I hope that helps you find a few. You can also get some at Walmart. Jiffy Shirts usually has some. You can usually do a search at the top, and then other major shirt manufacturers usually carry some polyester materials. Okay, so just like before, I'm just going to go ahead and fold the little horse in half here just to help me line up where the center is. Make sure it is the correct way. About 3 inches. Since it's got the ears, I'm going to go from 3 inches from the top of its head. All right. And now we're just going to go ahead and press at 400 degrees for another 40 seconds. Okay, and like I mentioned before, you can peel it off now, or you can wait a minute for it to cool down. I'm just going to wait just to be safe. All right, I waited about 20 seconds, and I'm going to go ahead and remove this sublimation transfer. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. That is still beautifully vibrant on the light blue. So you're not limited by just white materials. You can use light blues, light yellows, light grays, lots of different options. And as you can see, it still turns out fabulous. So as you can see, it's super easy to use our sublimation transfers. And I hope this inspires you to give a few a try. We're gonna be adding new to the site all the time, so make sure you check back. And we're also gonna be adding some kids sizes. So there'll be, these versions and some special versions, just smaller. So here are the end results. I just wanna show you once more. Here is that cow we did here on the white. And then here's this cherry blossom horse we did on the blue. And she is just beautiful. I can't wait to wear these. So one other thing I want to mention about sublimation transfers is just the care process. So normally with heat transfer vinyl, you want to wait 24 hours before you wash them. But you do not need to do that with sublimation transfers because the ink is transferred right into the fabric. It's already a part of the shirt. You can stretch it, you can wear it, you can move it right away, you can wash it, and it won't affect the material. So I hope that you have fun with these. They're a lot of fun. All you need, remember, is a heat press, polyester garments, and the transfers. And I can't wait to see your creations and how creative you get with them. Have a great day, everybody. Happy crafting.